Alright, this is how to get a Kaspa crypto wallet online.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Presets and effects for life, click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial.
Or general information about the Kaspa cryptocurrency wallets. The first website is kaspa.org, and we go under to wallets, or I'll leave a link in the video description down below. As you can see, we currently have around 13 to 14 different wallets on here, more or less, give or take. We have the Kaspa Telegram bot wallet, the Kaspa wallet, Kaspa NG, CLI wallet, KDX wallet, Caspian wallet, Ledger, OneKey, Tangent, SafePal. All of these wallets will be displayed here completely for free. The next websites for checking Kaspa or just cryptocurrency wallets is Wallet Scrutiny. Know your wallet like you built it. You can type in any wallet that you want. So let's taste, we're going to type in Kaspa. Let's see if Kaspa doesn't come up. Okay, let's say Kasware, and we'll click enter, and there's no Kasware, so let's say Tangem. Boom, Tangem wallets, Tangem wallet, Tangem. You can see, you can click on different wallets right here, and this will basically show you that, well, this is how you can know if it's legit or if it's not legit. You can type in OneKey, and OneKey will pop up. If you want to purchase a Kaspa wallet in particular, you can just type in Kaspa wallet purchase, and as you can see, you might be able to find one more or less, give or take, on Google completely for free.